Welcome to the demo of Retable, the powerful and intuitive cloud-based data management platform that streamlines your workflow and boosts your productivity. With Retable, you can easily organize, store, and access your data in a customizable and collaborative workspace. In Retable, you have the ability to create your own databases and business applications by managing your data through workspaces and projects within those workspaces. Let's start with creating a workspace. If you are a business plan user, you can create your workspace under your organization. Or you may want to create it in your personal dashboard. You can easily share the workspaces you created under your organization with your teams and collaborate. When you create a workspace, you should also create the first project of your workspace. You have 3 options to create a project. Starting from scratch creates a blank spreadsheet for you, and you can easily edit it by adding your data. Thanks to the import document, you can create your project by importing your XLS or CSV files. Thanks to the Start with a Template feature, you can create your first project by choosing the template you want from Retable's template archive. Let's choose a template and click the Build Now button. Now you can see your workspace and template on your Retable dashboard. You can customize this template as you wish. Let's start with take a look at the column types. We have 13 columns in this table. Let's start with checking the geolocation column. With the geolocation column type, you can automatically get address data by selecting a location on the map, and then you can view these locations in Retable's map view. In the select column type, you can create a single select or multi-select column by creating options. Thanks to this column type, you can have a cleaner data view by preventing manual data entry. You can easily customize all your column types from the Customize column field. For example, for the Select column type, you can change the colors of the options, add new options, or allow multi-select or single select. The Calendar column type allows you to select a date on the calendar. So you can view these dates later in Retable's calendar view. You can also customize the date format for the Calendar column and enable the Include Time option. So you can choose the time as well as the date. The other column is Email column type. You can add email address to this column and avoid incorrect data entry. Thanks to the Image column type, you can add images to your spreadsheet. You can create unique identifiers for your records with the Unique Identifier column. You can also customize the characters of these unique identifiers. You can hide your columns, change their order, change their names, or easily access the column customization area from the Columns menu in the toolbar. Let's add a new column together. You can choose between 27 column types. With Formula column type, you can create useful Excel formulas and make calculations easily. You can create a data summary by making calculations between different tables with the Roll-up column type. With the Rating column type, you can give your cells a scoring feature. You can assign tasks to your teammates with the Collaborator column type. And you can add files to your cells with the Attachment column type. You can easily switch between List View and Grid View. You can also take a snapshot to create a backup for your data, and you can restore your backups then as a new table or restore in the existing table. You can access all project history from the Project Setting field. Also, don't worry if you have deleted any table from your project. You can access the deleted tables from the Project Trash Bin area. You can create filtered views for your data from the Filter menu in the toolbar. You can open the Row History area by expanding the row. In the Row History area, you can access all row details, change history, and comments. You can also use Project Chat to communicate with your team. Thanks to the sorting feature, you can sort your data as ascending or descending according to the column you choose. Retable also has several formatting options like cell formatting, conditional formatting, and column style. You can define multiple conditional formatting rules at once, so you can have meaningful insights about your data at a glance. Conditional formatting rules continue to work and format your data every time you add new data. You can also create custom formats for your columns with the column style feature. Now let's take a look at the best feature of Retable, the views. Retable has 7 custom data views. With Card View, you can highlight your image column by visualizing your data in card format. You can also change the order of your cards with drag and drop. Thanks to the Customize Cards menu, you can customize the data you want to see on your cards. If you have more than one image column, you can also choose the image column you want to highlight. You can choose the cards you want to see using the filters. One of Retable's most popular views is Map View. With Map View, you can easily view the locations in your geolocation column on the map. You can view the addresses in detail by zooming in. You can also customize the data you want to see when you click on the pins from the Customize column menu. You can change locations by dragging and dropping pins on the map. The other Retable view is the Calendar view. You can see your calendar column data in a calendar view format easily. You can customize the data and switch between month, week, and day views. You can also access the row detail screen by clicking the records in the calendar. With another useful Retable view, the Chart view, you can create easy and fast reports of your data. You can quickly view your reports by specifying your X and Y axes. There are 4 different chart types you can use. You can also have more detailed reports thanks to the filters. Retable's Kanban view is an excellent tool, especially for status and assignee tracking. You can easily change the status of your data by dragging and dropping the Kanban cards. You can also further customize your Kanban view with the Customize column menu and filters. Retable also helps you automatically convert your spreadsheets into online forms. You can also customize these forms. You can add a title, description, cover image and redirect URL for your online form. If you want your form questions to look different from your column names, you can edit the field names, and you can also add a description for each question. You can set your questions as required or optional. You can also easily hide the columns that you do not want to show in your form. Let's test the form together. When you submit the form, your answer will be automatically reflected in your Retable spreadsheet, and will be synchronized with all your views simultaneously. Also, after completing the form, you can request a copy of your response by email if the owner of the form gives permission. You can also easily embed your Retable forms on your website. You can easily access the embedding code of your form by clicking the Share button. You can also easily embed all your other tables and views into your website with the same method. You just need to paste this code in the area you want to embed on your website. You can also share all your views by activating the public view. If you activate the editable toggle, people with the link can edit your data, but if you turn off the editable toggle, they can only view your data. When you activate the Use Data toggle, people who have the link can copy your table to their Retable dashboard. This does not cause any change in your table and is completely safe.